Hello everyone. Today, we will be learning biology. The topic we will be touching on is insecticide. So, why do we use insecticides? There are two main reasons. Firstly, to eliminate disease-carrying insects such as mosquitoes, fleas and bed bugs. Secondly, to stop them from invading our homes, farms, and etc. There are several advantages of using insecticides. Farmers use insecticides to prevent insects from destroying crops. Insects like weevil feed on the roots and leaves of many common crops. Insecticides can also be used to fight off poisonous insects like locusts. Also, diseases like typhus and malaria, which are transmitted to humans through infected mosquito bites, can be prevented. Unfortunately, there are some disadvantages of using insecticides. Firstly, toxic chemicals may get into the food we eat and cause illnesses. Secondly, insecticides may become ineffective after some time. Some insects are resistant to the insecticides, hence, they pass the favorable genes to their offspring, and over time, the population of insects will rise again. Lastly, the insecticide may end up affecting organisms other than insects. If insecticides are carried by rainwater into streams, rivers, and lakes, they can accumulate in high concentrations in the bodies of aquatic organisms such as fish. The most infamous insecticide is DDT or
dichlorodiphenyl trichloroethane.
DDT is non-biodegradable, hence it remains in the soil or water for many years. It accumulates in the fatty tissues of organisms that consume it since it is insoluble in water. Hence, the concentration of DDT will further increase in their bodies if the organisms continue to consume it. This is called bioaccumulation. DDT is passed along food chains when DDT-affected organisms are eaten by predators. Thus, DDT concentration increases in the bodies of organisms along the trophic level. This process is called bioamplification. Besides DDT usage, there are other ways to get rid of unwanted pests. Instead of using non-biodegradable insecticides, you may create your own homemade spray. It's easy. Just mix onions, garlic, and pepper together, and you will have your own organic insecticide. Another method is to put soap on plants to repel insects. For centuries, gardeners have done that and it has worked for them. Using biopesticides, which are biodegradable insecticides, is another option. Lastly, you can try capturing the pests by yourself. I recommend you use a fly swatter if you see any cockroaches crawling around your house. It works, I assure you, so don't forget. Save the earth, save the environment. Avoid using DDT from now onwards. That's all on our lesson today. Thank you for watching.